Hello, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to manage your videos inside the MKT affiliate software. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to publish those videos to the TikTok platform. Before we jump into the main content, let's roll the intro. Alright, when you open the software, you'll see the Post TikTok feature. Inside this section, you can create and name your posting campaign or script. Then you'll choose to post by video. You can select either a regular video or a pinned video. For regular video posting, I recommend setting the action interval between 60 to 120 seconds. This helps make the activity look more natural and reduces the risk of restrictions. You can also set the number of actions, for example 20 times. Next, you'll configure how many videos each TikTok account should post. Simply enter the number of videos per account here. You can also set up an automatic comment that will be posted right after publishing the video. This comment can include additional information or a call to action. For video configuration, you will select videos from the video management section we set up earlier. You can choose to randomly post videos from that list and even filter videos that have been posted fewer than a certain number of times. There is also an option to allow duplicate videos across multiple TikTok accounts. However, I strongly do not recommend doing this. If you post the same video on multiple accounts within the same platform, TikTok may reduce your reach or flag the content. It's better to assign each account a specific niche and unique content. You can repost on different platforms, but avoid posting identical videos across multiple TikTok accounts. Next, we have the TikTok Shop option. You can filter accounts that have TikTok Shop enabled. When you check this option, the system will automatically display only accounts connected to TikTok Shop. This makes filtering much easier. You can also attach products directly to your videos. There are two ways to do this. First, you can manually enter the product ID to attach it directly to the video. Second, you can manage product links directly from the video management section. If you already added product links when uploading the video earlier, you don't need to re-enter them here. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to search for each product link manually. There is also an option to match product IDs with videos. You can randomly assign products to videos, not recommended. You can assign products sequentially, recommended. Or you can match one specific product to one specific video for maximum accuracy. For example, if one video promotes a specific shirt and another video promotes a different shirt, choosing random assignment may mix them up. So it's better to select sequential matching or one-to-one matching to ensure accuracy. In the account management and product management section, if you have a TikTok Shop account, you can scan products directly. The software will automatically pull all products from that TikTok account, allowing you to select them easily. This saves you from logging into each account individually. Everything is managed in one centralized platform, which is very convenient. So that's how you automatically publish TikTok videos using the software, including attaching TikTok Shop product links and automating the entire process. It saves a lot of time and effort. That's the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. See you in the next one.